If you're thinking about buying Pilot for your accounting needs, there are 12 things you should know before making the decision. Whether you're running a small business or managing complex finances, it's essential to evaluate if Pilot truly suits your needs, especially when compared to other accounting software options. First, Pilot is known for offering a hands-off bookkeeping experience. If you don't want to deal with day-to-day financial management, this could be a great choice. But keep in mind that while software like QuickBooks allows more control, Pilot offers an entire team of accountants to handle things for you. It's perfect if you want that extra level of human support, but it may feel less customizable than some alternatives. Next thing, Pilot's pricing structure is based on the number of transactions, which is something to consider. If you're expecting to scale quickly or have fluctuating transaction volumes, this could either be a benefit or a potential challenge. Some competitors offer more predictable flat rate pricing that might be more suitable for businesses with more consistent needs. The third thing to note is the level of support. Pilot is known for providing excellent customer service, but compared to something like Xero or QuickBooks, where you have more self-service resources and a large community, Pilot leans heavily on the support team. While this could be great for some, it might not be ideal if you prefer solving problems independently. Now, Pilot works well for growing businesses with complex needs, especially for those dealing with tax season. Their tax filing support stands out compared to competitors like FreshBooks, which doesn't have as robust tax features. If taxes are something you struggle with, Pilot might be a lifesaver. The fifth thing is integration options. Pilot integrates with tools like Gusto and Stripe, but its integrations may not be as extensive as QuickBooks or Xero, which connect with hundreds of third-party apps. If you're running a complex operation and rely on multiple software tools, that could be a deal breaker. Next thing, if you're looking for automatic transaction syncing, Pilot does a good job, but there are some reports of delays or inaccuracies at times. While competitors like Wave are often faster in syncing, Pilot's team will address any errors quickly, which gives you peace of mind, but might feel slower than expected. The seventh thing is the dashboard. Pilot's dashboard is simple and easy to navigate, offering clear financial insights, but it doesn't have as much depth as QuickBooks or Xero in terms of customization. If you're someone who enjoys diving deep into detailed financial analysis, Pilot may not be the best fit. The eighth thing to consider is that Pilot's user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to get started. However, if you've been using more traditional software like QuickBooks, the transition could take some time. Pilot's focus is on simplicity, so if you're used to detailed reports or tax planning, it might require a learning curve. The ninth thing is the accounting accuracy. Pilot's team of experts ensures that your financials are precise, which is great if you need reliable reporting, especially in industries with complex tax codes. However, this is a service-based model, unlike other software like FreshBooks or Xero, which rely more on automated calculations. Pilot takes care of human errors, but you pay for it. The 10th thing to keep in mind is Pilot's target audience. It's best suited for businesses with annual revenues of $1 million or more. For smaller businesses or startups, there may be cheaper and equally efficient alternatives out there, like QuickBooks or Wave, which offer plans that can scale with you without jumping into full-service bookkeeping. The 11th thing is Pilot's workflow. It's great if you want a set-it-and-forget-it accounting solution, but if you need a tool that you can heavily customize or dive into the weeds with data, other platforms like Xero might offer better control for advanced users. Finally, if you're ready to make the switch to Pilot, it's important to note that they offer a free trial, so you can try it out before committing. It's an appealing option for business owners who need solid accounting with human oversight. But if you're seeking a better, more flexible alternative that's also free for trial, check out our recommended solution that you can explore without any commitments. In the end, Pilot is a solid choice for many businesses, but if you need something with more flexibility or advanced features, take a look at our top pick.